if you really want to have results, and if you want to learn French fast, the only thing that we need to agree on, and this is really the key of the whole thing, is that you will have to dedicate yourself, and you will really have to put yourself into this learning process. So 5 minutes per day to learn the language, I don't think it will work. I mean, let's be honest on that. I don't think it will work. I've been doing that for a long time, and I know that to learn the language you will have really to dedicate yourself. So this is the reason why I've been putting, and this is really the key, I've been putting this curriculum. So when you go to categories here, and when you see the full video course, I've been putting all these courses just to give you this opportunity to learn at your pace. So obviously learning at your pace means that if you want to have some result, and if you want to learn French fast, then it means that you need to put yourself into the race. You will see that when you go to the courses, for one like this one, you will have next to the name of the lesson, you will have the duration. And you can see that in some cases, I mean, some lessons are quite long. I mean, they can be quite long, because when you introduce a topic, like the passé composé, for instance, this compound tense, compound past tense of in French, you really need to take the time. You really need to explain how it goes, the exceptions, how to pronounce it correctly, and all the situations. So in some cases you will have some short videos, in other cases you will have some long videos, but the key point will be to really put yourself into the thing, and let's forget the idea that 5 minutes per day you will learn French. It's not possible. It will be a bit more than 5 minutes, let's put it that way. But if you are ready to really dedicate it and dedicate yourself to the learning of the language, then with the curriculum and with all the materials that I've been producing on the platform, you can make it. You can make it, and you can even work on the phonetics aspect, because I am giving you all the tools to make it happen. Okay, but in the end it is on your shoulder, like we say in French. It's your responsibility to make it happen.